Hello, dear friends. I, Renu Sahu of B.Ed first semester from Mahatma Gandhi Mahavidyalaya, Raipur, is presenting our community project on the topic Management Control System during COVID-19. Under the guidance of our Principal Ma'am Dr. Sonali Channavar and Mrs. Shweta Ojha Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving us an opportunity to enhance our quality and creativity. Thank you so much, ma'am. I, Renu Sahu, along with my friends Rinkesh Bhaskar, Ruby Kumari Shah, Rajani, and Renu Bhagat is presenting this presentation. In this presentation, we are going to discuss on the topics lockdown, public administration, role of police, role of health workers, role of community or social worker, role of cleaning staff, pros and cons of lockdown. Management control system. It means gathering and using information to aid and control the process of making and planning and control decisions throughout the organization and to guide the behavior of its responsible individuals. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that are known to cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. A coronavirus COVID-19 was identified in 2019 in Wuhan, China. This is a new coronavirus that has not been previously identified in humans. The goal of management control system is to improve the collective decisions within an organization in an economically feasible way. Lockdown. A temporary condition imposed by the government authorities during outbreak of pandemic disease in which people are required to stay in their homes and refrain from or limit activities outside the home involving public contact such as dining out or attending large gatherings. Public administration during COVID-19. Public administrators are important actors at the forefront of framing, implementing, and evaluating the states to pandemic policy making and strategy planning to control spread of COVID-19, how to beat this pandemic, how to save lives, ensuring social protection, maintaining sustainable economic growth, resource allocation and distributive accountability. Now, this picture shows the frontline warriors and their only religion is to save human life from COVID-19, and we respect them. Role of police. Police were the most and key responder during COVID-19. They have ensured the seamless movement of transport and logistics for essential commodities, enforced the lockdown through movement restrictions. They have protected health workers, enforced the lockdown throughout movement restrictions. They have gone beyond the call of duty. This is the video presented by Bilaspur Police on their social media handle. Role of health workers. They are frontline warriors against COVID 19. They have worked 24 into 7 to fight against COVID 19. They are violently working long hours without adequate supplies and risking their lives to combat this global threat. Nurses became the most important player in the screening, early diagnosis, and ongoing monitoring of infected patients. They saved several lives by giving their sleepless days and nights and risking their own life. Role of community and social workers. Social workers play vital role in society, especially in times of public health crisis and national emergencies. Many self-help groups have consolidated their efforts to work on issues like social distancing, uses of mask, quarantine, mental health, etc. Their work is vital in ensuring that people receive the economic and social supports available to them. Some social groups are providing food and essential commodities to migrants. Some are distributing masks, sanitizers, food packets, and etc. Role of cleaning staff. While most of us are staying home safely, but some are not. Some are not much lucky, and they are cleaning staff. Cleaning staffs have played very important role and major role in fighting against COVID-19. Janitors, domestic workers, housekeeping and office crews are among those who are at the highest risk of COVID-19. In fact, cleaning staff are the front line on fighting these global pandemic, as they are responsible for deep cleaning, disinfecting and scrubbing the surface and areas that are host of potentially dangerous and germs and viruses. Pros of lockdown. The most important advantage of lockdown is that it helped to break the transmission chain for coronavirus. Nature and everyone around the world is enjoying the break from pollution. Lockdown made us realize the importance of family, friends, and community. Due to lockdown, road accidents are reduced. People got chance to explore their talents in their free time at home. Many of us learned new things and technology. Cons of lockdown. Due to lockdown, economy got stumbled. So many people lost their job during this period. Domestic violence has increased. Many people suffered mental and health issues. Students and their studies also got hampered. Daily wage workers got badly affected during COVID-19. And the references are given below. At last, I would like to say, we shall overcome someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome, and we will definitely overcome from this pandemic. And thank you. Stay safe and be happy.